सुरेश आई है। Excuse me. दीपिका है, राइट राइट। मेरा भी ले लो। अरे खोल दो इसको। दीपिका। She's holding on. दीपिका लेफ्ट। ये भी ले लो। दीपिका लेफ्ट। हाँ ले उसकी। वो अपना दे देगी वापस। मेरा भी ले लो ना। ना वो पकड़ लेगा। Can you have all the mics, please? No, the cameras are here. No, we'll have to do it here. सुरेश आई है। Excuse me. दीपिका है, राइट राइट। मेरा भी ले लो। अरे खोल दो इसको। दीपिका। She's holding on. दीपिका लेफ्ट। ये भी ले लो। दीपिका लेफ्ट। हाँ ले उसकी। वो अपना दे देगी वापस। मेरा भी ले लो ना। ना वो पकड़ लेगा। Can you have all the mics, please? No, the cameras are here. No, we'll have to do it here. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मुझे वोग आईवेयर का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनाया गया है इंडिया के लिए और इंटरनेशनली बहुत सारे नोन फेसेस हैं जैसे जिजेल, केट मॉस और जूड लॉ भी हैं। तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ एंड या I don't think it's three qualities. I think when I'm looking at a brand association, I'm normally looking at one quality, which is an extension of my personality. And I think the brand also looks at a similar. Oops. I think the brand also looks for their brand ambassador to be an extension of what they are looking for. And I'm very happy with this association. I think it's a brand that's it's cool, it's fun, it's young, it's stylish, and it gives you the option of having a sunglass or optical frames for every look, every mood, and every season.
And behind the posters, we can see you have spotted all these frames. So how comfortable now was it?
Very comfortable. In fact, even in Ye Jawani Hai Deewani, I'm glad that I got to wear chashmas. In fact, these are the same ones. And I'm glad that I've managed to set a trend wearing glasses. And I've heard that a lot of girls want to go out there and buy the optical frames, which is a nice thing. It's always this particular one. Well, before the film happened, we tried out a lot of different styles, and this is what I thought, and Manish thought that suits me the most, and so we went with that.
अच्छा दीपिका, ये जो क्लासेस है क्या पर्सनालिटी को डिफाइन करते हैं हर किसी की, और आप यहाँ पे 4 हमने देखे, आपका फेवरेट मतलब आपका कौन सा पर्सनैलिटी?
बिल्कुल. I think when someone wears a pair of sunglasses, I think it kind of shows your personality and what kind of a person you are. My favorite would be this one.
And why?
I like it. I don't know. I can't explain. I like it.
So how does that define your personality?
I think let me come back to the film. Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. I think it suits. I thought it suited my personality a lot. I identify with the character a lot. The character that I played, Naina Talwar, is I think her growth, her journey through the film, what you see is very similar to what I've gone through. And I think the specs is just a material thing of kind of defining that personality, but there's something about the image that I like. I don't know, I can't explain it.
Do you feel it's many times like you try to be बहुत studious होता है जो तो natural life में try otherwise like many people feel like wearing a spectacle like it's adding to your age. Just many times people थोड़ा ऐसे लगता है. Really do you feel like as you said?
I think earlier शायद पहले लोगों को ऐसे लगता होगा, पर अभी I think it's become more of a style thing. इनफैक्ट अभी मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं, इंडस्ट्री में भी ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो you wear glasses because it looks cool. You don't necessarily have a problem with your eyes, but you wear it because it looks cool. A lot of people do that. It's become a fashionable thing now. So yeah.
दीपिका, मेरा एक सवाल है. चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस पे हमने फर्स्ट लुक देखा, काफी एक्साइटिंग है, और वो जो जर्नी है चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस की, तो आप भी साउथ का, तो जहाँ तक मुझे उसके बारे में बताइए, आपकी वो जर्नी, उसके बारे में, चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस टू बॉम्बे, उसके बारे में क्या है?
That will be a very long interview if I start answering that now. But I mean, in a sense, yeah, it has been the same journey. My journey started off, I grew up in Bangalore. And when I decided to join the film industry, I had to shift with bag and baggage to an entirely new city and a new industry, new people. And 5 years into my career now, today I'm very, very comfortable. And I'm enjoying my work.
अच्छा, और वो जो DDLJ मोमेंट है, इस फिल्म में जब वो काजल है और ट्रेन चल रही है, तो उसके बारे में बताइए, आपको और वो जो मोमेंट है उसके
I think the first point is that I got to relive the DDLJ moment with Shah Rukh. And the fact that I think while growing up, I think it was every girl's dream to romance Rahul and Raj on screen. और मुझे वो भी करने का मौका मिला है इस फिल्म के अंदर. We've got a fantastic response to the trailer, and I hope everyone enjoys watching the movie.
As an actress, you've grown a lot, like you just said, in 5 years. Now, also in South, you're working with Rashmika. If you could tell us more about that as well. How excited are you? How nervous, excited are you? What's the feeling inside?
I think working with Rajni sir, what I take back, and I say this all the time, is the person that he is. How much he's achieved, the superstar that he is, not just in our country but world over, is something that we all know. But what I take back from that experience is his humility, his simplicity, and the kind of person that he is.
Normally you prefer an imported actually with glasses, whatever. Shopping it from out of India, whenever you do. How would you really try to promote as a brand ambassador like this particular comparing to the imported one, the branded which are already there?
Talking about brands in general, I think today everything is available in our country. Ek zamana hota tha where you had to wait for your father to travel abroad or some relative to come from abroad to bring whatever you wanted. I think that time is not there anymore now. I think everything is available in our country. Online, it's so easy to shop now. As far as Vogue is concerned, it's going to be available at all the outlets. And everything that Vogue has ever made till date will be available. It's not like it's going to be a limited collection or a limited edition. Whatever you get globally, universally, is going to be available here as well.
दीपिका जी को एक सवाल
If I had to give Shah Rukh I'll give him some. I would give him optical frames because I know he wears specs. Yeah, he wears reading glasses. I'll pick something for him. That's a good thought, though. Actually, that's something I can give to him.
दीपिका एक सवाल मेरा दीपिका एक सवाल आखिरी है शाहरुख तीसरी बार
एक मिनट ना एक मिनट
शाहरुख तीसरी बार पापा बन रहे हैं और इस बार सरोगेसी की वजह से उस बारे में क्या
I think it's a very, very personal thing. It's an extremely personal thing, and I don't think it's right for me to be commenting on it. Thank you.
Thanks.